Alright guys, welcome to another episode here on the MIgardener channel. My name is Cindy and this is
Hayley. Nice to see you guys.
Yes, and for those that don't know where we are right now, we actually are at the MIgardener headquarters up at our loft area, and we're going to be doing some container gardening.
Yeah.
So, I think...
Yeah, we have lots of options. We have both vegetable and ornamental plants to put in.
Plus lots of your photos, put a bit of smoke in your face.
And so we're just gonna clean out what we had from last year and add in all the new, transform it, make it a cool place.
Alright, so over here we actually had a cute little fairy gardened container set up for Geneva or for kids or for the adults, so we really enjoyed it. And all we have to really do is just kind of prune and clean it up. We have some things that are completely dead over here. And we over here had some all herbs. We're just going to clean all of that up as well. Some of them actually did bounce back. I think this is thyme. And then I think that's a weed. So we're going to take that apart as well. It's a really nice hot day today. And our plan is to do tomatoes, peppers, and then like marigolds as well, some flowers.
So we have a basil plant that was here from last year. And it's of course all dried out, but all you do is you peel off what looks to be the flowers, and if you squish them through your hands, I have too many in my hands to do this, hold on, let's go down a little. Squish them around a bit, and then you will end up with your basil seeds for next year. I don't know if you guys can see that, but your basil seeds, just the little black seeds that are ready to go.
So Hayley's been helping me to make sure these look much more livelier. We've been just kind of turning the soil a little bit because they do kind of dry out throughout the season. And I think we are ready to plant, which is the fun part. So over here we have the Hungarian hot wax pepper. And one of these, right? Or do you want to...
Yeah, one of the bigger ones, I think.
Okay. And then we also have cherry tomatoes. Those are awesome to snack on, I'd say. We'll probably put some here.
Alright, so remember as you plant, you can see the roots are kind of tied up just a little bit. I usually work my finger in just enough to spread them out a little. It'll give them a little more direction as they're getting going. You typically don't want to be transplanting right in the middle of the heat, but it's busy here and this is the time we had to do it. So we're just going to water them in well, and I'll watch them over the next day or so to make sure they took well. Alright, and then a sweet banana over here. So I have 2 sweet banana and 2 Marconi going in.
There is some peppers that were just labeled pepper. We can try those.
That's the worst.
Alright, I'm going to go get that really
Okay.
quick. Be right back. Oh, here we are.
Is that just a labeled pepper one?
Yeah, just pepper.
Alright.
And it comes with all the pictures all different colors, so it doesn't give you
All
a better clue
It
either.
has banana peppers, jalapenos, hot peppers, all the things.
Yeah.
It'll be a surprise.
Yeah.
It's like a mystery packet.
Exactly.
All done out for us.
Sweet 100.
So, for those of you who don't know, if you look closely at your tomato plant, you'll see little fibers going up your stem, and that can all be turned into roots. So, you want to plant your tomatoes down as far as you can. At home, I even go all the way to the top. I'll probably leave this branch on this go around. Oh, we're doing one of these. Let's go in the middle. So I'm going to put it down as far as I can. That's going to establish a nice, strong root system as this guy grows. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and clean these ones up while we're sitting here. So we're going to take off all these bottom branches. Leave that one, and then I think I have enough for one more. Okay, let's head to the next pot.
Did you pull off those? Yeah.
Yeah, those couple bottom ones.
so they don't.
Probably,
Also these, I'd say.
yeah, those, and then the 2 right on the opposing side. And then just plant that baby deep.
Is that good, right?
Yeah.
We have those beans. You want to just experiment?
Yeah, let's do the beans, because I'm thinking that if we put the beans in over here, they're pole beans, so I'm gonna try to train them to go across this fence that overlooks. I think that'd be pretty cool.
So we have both yellow and green.
Yeah, I say mix them up.
Yeah. Okay. I have 4 per cell. It looks like 3 per cell.
I don't think. Yeah, we probably could. I'm thinking crowd-wise on the fence, though.
Yeah.
So maybe do 2 on the parking lot wall and 2 on the other building wall,
So
and then
2 here, 2 here.
yeah, because I can train them both directions. So maybe
It's gonna
maybe
get
1 green and 1 yellow on each side,
Yeah.
so they're
We can
alternating.
start racing with each other.
Yeah,
Oh, we also forgot our trifecta.
we
Yeah,
can
we
apply
went-
that on top. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
we'll top fertilize it later. They are making more trifecta as we're filming this.
Yes,
So
they're busy.
yes, we are. And also our Revive is back in stock too. And one of the reasons why I was a little bit later in the day to come help plan was because as you guys know, we have a daughter, and it's really hard finding a babysitter right now. And we was actually doing some garden consultations. So if you guys are looking for linking up with Luke, he does offer garden consultations. You guys can check us out at MIgardener.com, and they are 30-minute consultations. And so far, I sometimes listen to him in the background. They seem to be going pretty well. So if you guys are interested, it's kinda
That's pretty cool to get like a one-on-one in your garden.
Yes, yeah, and a lot of the people that have signed up to do these
Yeah.
garden consultations actually take him out to their own garden, so he can definitely see what's going on. And
Okay, that's pretty cool.
yeah.
How do I get him to do that at my garden?
Oh, well, the
I'll
man.
sign up for a consultation.
Yes, it's on Skype. No, it's on Zoom.
Zoom,
actually.
I think, yeah.
Mhm. It's called a fiber optic grass, and it looks like those fiber optic lights.
Yeah,
Right
so
up.
does it keep these little buds on the end of them?
Yeah.
You guys see that?
Mhm.
There you go. The little buds, that's what makes them look cool.
Yeah. Now this one won't cascade down. It's just gonna be like a little. It'll just kind of spread out. And these are trailing. I think they're petunias. Okay. Well, they're called super bells, but they kind of look like petunias.
They kind of look like petunias.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're
So
smaller.
they'll trail over.
Yes, they'll trail over.
Yeah, it's nice to kind of have those 3 aspects to a pot, right? So a spike, a ground cover, and something to hang.
Yeah. So, and we might actually backfill a little bit more, but maybe something that's a little bit with more shade. I mean, it does get a lot of sun here, but kind of.
We'll see.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna do it to the camera because it was not working. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're ready to get soaking. All right, guys. So that's pretty much a wrap. We're just going to water these plants up so they get nice and happy. And it was really awesome to do this together.
Yeah, this
so
is really
we'll
fun.
find our own rhythm, and I've missed you guys, and I think it'd be really fun to just kind of be a little bit more.
So we'll give you tours up here every so often, and then we're gonna still do the herb garden,
Yeah.
maybe in a week or so, whenever we get that far. So we'll do another video on that, and other than that, we'll come do some tours up here and see how it's growing this summer.
Yeah, and black was definitely not a great choice
Yeah, it's hot
to
up
wear,
here.
but we love our shirts. They're actually fresh picked
Yeah.
apparel.
Yeah, what do you got? Oh, perfect! I think I have.
Oh, so check us out. It's at Fresh Picked Apparel, and we're just going to peace out, and we will see you guys on a next video coming up soon, because growing season is kind of the most fun season here in Michigan. We've been dying for nice weather out here, but
We're ready.
We're ready. You ready?
All right, plant on.
Plant on. Bye.